It weighs about 3 pounds. It has the consistency of firm jelly or tofu. And yet, it is the most complex structure in the known universe. You aren't using your brain, you are your brain. Every memory of your first crush, every spicy take on a movie, and every dream you've ever had is just a specific pattern of electricity firing in the dark. Today, we're cracking open the skull metaphorically to see how this biological supercomputer actually works. The brain isn't just one big blob, it's a collection of specialized neighborhoods. The brainstem, the old brain, it handles the basics: breathing, heart rate, and keeping you alive while you sleep. The cerebellum, the little brain at the back, it's the reason you can walk without falling over or master that TikTok dance. The cerebral cortex, this is the wrinkly outer layer. If the brain were a company, this is the C-suite. The prefrontal cortex, this is your personality. It's where you make decisions. Resist the urge to buy that $7 latte and plan for the future. To understand the how, we have to go microscopic. You have about 86 billion neurons. To put that in perspective, if every neuron was a second, it would take you about 2,700 years to count them all. They communicate through synapses. Think of a synapse as a tiny gap between two neurons. When a signal reaches the end of one, it shoots out chemical messengers called neurotransmitters like dopamine, the reward chemical, or serotonin, the mood stabilizer. It's a constant chemical conversation. In fact, your brain generates enough electricity to power a low-wattage LED light bulb. You are literally glowing from the inside. Here's the best part. Your brain isn't hardwired like a laptop. It's plastic. Through neuroplasticity, your brain physically changes shape based on what you do. When you learn a new language or a guitar riff, your neurons grow new connections. The more you practice, the thicker the insulation called myelin gets around those wires, making the signal travel faster. You are quite literally a self-sculpting masterpiece. If you don't like a habit, you can technically rewire it. Though it takes a lot of repetitions to pave that new road. We've mapped the surface of Mars and the depths of the ocean, but we're still just scratching the surface of the mind. Why do we sleep? Where does consciousness actually come from? We don't fully know. But every time you learn something new, like you just did, your brain changes. So take care of your tofu. Sleep more, learn often, and stay curious. Thanks for watching.